Happy Friday, I'm Isabella.
And I'm Celeste. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Let's jump into the school announcements.
First up, AP tests are coming up.
If you need extra support before your exams, be sure to stop by AP Test Prep tomorrow.
Teachers will be available to help from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Available classes: AP Macroeconomics, Room 4A, Mr. Marquez; AP Chemistry, Room 6B, Miss Herzog; AP Art, Room 8A, Miss Mayo;
And AP Calculus, Room 14C, Mrs. Martinez. AP Stats, Room 5F, Mrs. Santian. AP Lang, Room 4PC, Mrs. Green.
If you have any questions, please check in with your AP teacher.
Next up, attention juniors and seniors.
Time is running out. Prom bids are now on sale in the finance office.
Prices, $70 with student view and $65 with the student ID.
Bids may be purchased before school, during lunch, and after school.
Important reminders, you must have a signed permission slip before purchasing. Permission slips are available in the dean's office and must be turned in there first.
If you are bringing a non-HHS guest, an additional guest form must be completed and submitted.
All debt must be cleared before purchasing your ticket.
Do not wait until last minute. The last day to purchase prom bids is April 29th after school, no exceptions. Finally, seniors, please make sure to start clearing your debt before graduation.
You must have all uniforms, old textbooks, library books, and previous debt all paid before you can check out for graduation.
Avoid the lines in May and get it done now.
Don't procrastinate and get any issues taken care of now and not the last minute.
Don't go anywhere.
We are just getting started.
This week, we are celebrating National Library Week, a time to recognize how amazing our school library is and all the opportunities it gives us to learn, explore, and imagine.
Our library is more than just a place for books. Finally, a big shout out to our librarian, Miss Carlin, for being such an amazing present here at Highland.
Thank you for your dedication to keeping Highland's library welcoming and ready for every student who walks in.
Happy National Library Week.
Highland High School proudly presents Hadestown Teen Edition. The theater program has 2 performances left, tonight and tomorrow. The show begins at 7 p.m. in the Wesley Anderson Hall. Tickets are only $10 cash and all ages are welcome, so bring your friends and your family. Get ready for an amazing performance and you won't want to miss it.
During April and May, Highlands Creative Writing Club is organizing a letter writing campaign in support of Kern County firefighters.
Students are encouraged to write letters or cards with messages of appreciation and encouragement for the firefighters who served our community.
All letters will be collected through May 15th and delivered to local fire stations the following week. Please see the attached flyer for additional details.
Letters or cards may be turned in to Ms. Chapa in room 3B.
Thank you for supporting our students and our local heroes.
Attention Highland students, get ready, something big is coming to campus. We're excited to announce the grand opening of Highlands Threads Thrift Store, your new go-to spot for stylish, affordable clothing right here at school. When is this all happening? Friday, May 8th. Where is this happening? 3H during lunch. Come through, check out the inventory, and upgrade your style. All items can be purchased using your Plaid points. Just redeem your points for a ticket to shop. 10 points equals 1 clothing item. Don't miss out on the chance to find some hidden gems, show off your style, and support something new on campus. Pull up, shop smart, stay fresh.
Welcome back, Scott.
It's time for sports.
What's up, Scots? I'm Frankie Barra.
And I'm Luke Parra, and we're back with the sports. Here's some sports events happening around campus.
Track and field has a meet at Liberty High School.
And swim takes on Ridgeview at the Aquatic Center from 3:30 to 7.
Frost-off baseball and softball will be here against Independence.
While JV and varsity baseball and softball will be away at Independence. And that's a wrap from us.
Have a great day.
The Highland Chess Club will be hosting its final chess tournament of the school year tomorrow in the Highland Library.
Come out and cheer and support your fellow Scotsmen as they battle Liberty, Stockdale, Centennial, Frontier, and BHS, and other schools.
Be there, Scots, and don't forget it.
If you'd like to join or learn more, then stop by room 5C and talk to Coach Gonzalez.
Thanks for the update.
Check this video from Chloe.
Chloe 101. Today's topic, I don't know.
After a long 2 weeks, I'm finally back. Welcome to another episode of Chloe 101. Progress 4 reports are coming to an end, so let's see if our Scots are keeping up with their weekly assignments. How was your guys' day going? My day is going great. I'm just trying to find someone to interview, so come along. We're back here with
Eli.
And how are you feeling about your Progress 4 grades right now?
I feel all right. They're all right.
You're supposed to feel confident. Eli feels confident in his grades right now, right?
Yes.
Good answer. Good job. Keep it up. What is one goal that you guys have before the end of the semester?
To get all A's and B's.
Get a C in geometry.
To pass my ASL class.
To get all A's and B's.
That's good. Thank you, guys. I'm here with my cheer girls. And what class do you have the highest score in?
I have the highest score in data science because I pay my way out of it.
And I also have the highest grade in my English class because me and my friends study together.
Woo! I heard you're in theater. Tell me a little bit about Hadestown.
So Hadestown, the last weekend to come see it is this weekend. We got shows Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday, they're all at 7. Thursday, Nicholas Colon, who's a Broadway star, he's coming to watch it, and he'll perform the last song with us on stage. So it'll be really cool to meet him.
Now let's transition into a new topic. Boys, do you ever just sit and wonder, what ways can I ask my girl to prom while she is impatiently waiting for promposal? Well, you came to the right place. Chloe 101 will save you. Step 1, approach them confidently. Second step, you have to riz them up like I did in the first episode. There's a sparkle in the sky.
Really?
Or maybe it's your eyes. Third step, you have to bust out in the Gangnam Style dance.
Start.
Will you go to prom with me?
Of course I will.
Yay! And what is the best way a guy could propose to a girl?
When the guy has confidence and they start dancing.
Exactly. That's the best answer. Thank you. Thank you, Scots, for watching this wonderful episode of Chloe 101. And make sure you stay tuned for another wonderful episode of this. Bye, Scots.
Thank you, Chloe.
Now let's get with the Avid team.
Think it, ink it, link it, snack it edition.
Good morning, Scots. It's Ashley Martinez here with another session of Think It, Link It, Ink It, Snack It edition. Let's go interview our students of this week.
My name's Cece, and I'm here with
Lila Bielba.
And you've been awarded for having awesome focus notes. What are some tips that you have for students who want to improve their notes?
I have a few tips. The main thing I do is focus around the big idea. Instead of just focusing on those small details, I would rather see the question asked, try to find what it wants, and then go on with that. And just honestly, if you see things that you might think that will help you, I would highlight those because you never know if you might need them or not.
That's great advice. Thank you. I'm Cece, and I'm here with
Miss Rios.
And you've been awarded for having students who are producing awesome focus notes. What are some key things that you want to keep in mind when creating focus notes?
I think the most important thing to keep in mind when creating focus notes is that they're for you, like the individual, the student. So not everybody's focus notes are going to look the same. At the end of the day, it's supposed to be something that benefits you. So I would say to just make sure that you organize them in a way that makes sense for you and your learning, and to just keep in mind that focus notes aren't supposed to be copying word for word what the teacher is saying. It's making sure that you are just writing down the information, the most important information, in a way that makes sense for you.
That's all for us, Scots. Students, if you want to be awarded, make sure to continue to submit those great notes, and teachers, make sure to keep nominating.
That's a wrap for today, Scots.
We'll catch you right back here next week.
And always,
don't forget to
flat up.